Okay, here we go mga bossing. Welcome back to my channel. This is Alvin again, the Boy Bukas Toy Box. So we're going to unbox not a toy but a gadget. For some people, they call it a toy.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So what we got here? We got the Roku Premier. So they say they can stream 4K and HDR using this device. So let's see. So actually my TV is already a smart TV, but from a friend they asked me to get this for from Amazon, and yeah, I just ordered it last night, and there you go. I have it right now. It's just like an overnight shipping. So let's open it and unbox. So I'm ready to set it up for my friend. And okay, so let's see what's inside. I never ever get one of these, so just excited and really interests me what's really inside. So what we got here? Okay, no more. So we got the main device here, which is like what they call it, like just the main machine. So they got a HDMI port here and a Type-C USB. Yeah, then the reset buttons here. So there it goes. This is where you point the remote. So there's like a sticker here, so you can, like permanently put it anywhere. And there's free battery, so battery is included, and the remote. So there you go. So there's a built-in like channel in the remote, so you can easily open Netflix, Disney Channel, the Global, this is Canadian, and the Roku channel, which they say they have like a pre-shows there. That's a pre-show. So okay, so there you go. So there you go. Yeah. So please. So there's still more here. So yeah, that's a good thing. Got like the power adapter here and the pre-HDMI. It's it's kind of HDMI. And yeah, so this is the Type-C USB battery to power the device. And okay, and nothing else more than the manual. Okay, some cool stickers or decals here. Okay, so some information. Some quick setup guide. There you go. PC. So I believe it's like an Android device to consider like that. So, but never try it, and then and maybe do some what do you call that? So okay, so there you go. So some manuals here, a quick startup guide. Yeah, pretty cool. Well explained here. So that's it, mga bossing. We got everything here. So once again, thank you for watching. And as always, see you in the next episode. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like buttons and share this video. And if you like it more video like this or like the toys that we usually open, please hit the bell icon so you're always updated for the latest video. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out.